it's Kermit the Frog. I just want to say I love math. Shout out Mr. Ying.
Hey CVA integrated Math 3 students, we will remember every rescuer who died in honor. We will remember every family that lives in grief. We will remember, says former President George W. Bush, celebrating 9/11. This is our grid view, including if you missed a reflection, discussion, or any assignment that is now considered red light. You can click on this and submit a late work and I'll grade it. And Mr. Frank, it's that time.
It's time for game plans.
Week number 6, 9/12 to 9/16/2022. We're almost done. 8.4 normal distribution. Students will be able to classify variables and analyze probability distributions to determine expected outcomes on lesson 8.4. Remember, class meets every Wednesday, 1:30 to 2:15. And if you didn't hear the news, when you click on conferences now, it'll go to either it'll go to big blue button. So no longer are we using class apps. So some cheers in the background there. I'm kind of happy we're moving on from that. Khan Academy, I need to check your grades. It was due last Friday. The next one is going to be in 3 more weeks on the 30th. You need a total now of 2 hours or 120 minutes total. If you go over it, it's okay. You're getting ahead, no extra credit. And remember, you need learning minutes. Attendance and participation, you get points off, your camera's off. And we're going to have a new thing. You should be watching this through Edpuzzle. And so now you're going to be watching the week at a glances through Edpuzzle, and it's going to grade you. So you need to pay attention. That'll be part of your grade. I'm going to put under participation. Remember, if you need help, I talked to a student, and it was great because they were off track, and we got them back on track, and they scheduled office hours. So the fastest way is just click on this link. It alerts me, and then I'll reach out to you about some times that you put in there. And remember, every Tuesdays from 1:30 to 2 o'clock, I'm doing these one-on-one interviews. You need to sign up for one. It is worth 3,000 assignment points. It's worth quite a bit. I just want to talk to you as a real human being. Subscribe. Remember, bonus, I will drop the lowest quiz score for the semester if you attend 80% of the class. And bonus number 2, as a class bonus, is if we can get to 600 subscribers. That includes my seat-based students at Savannah. Sense of urgency. The school year as of 9/12 Monday, we finished about 12.8% of the school year, and we have about 87% left. As of first semester, as of 9/12 Monday, we are 27% finished. We are 1/4 done with the first semester. We only have about 3/4 left, so about 72.9%. This week I have progress reports, so I turn in grades 8 times throughout the semester. So if you want to submit anything for the first quarter grades, they are due. I have them due this Friday, but if you wanted to submit it through late work. So late work, you're going to turn it into the original place, the cadence, and then also submit a late work with a sad face guy. Turn that in by Thursday 8 p.m. I'll open up my computer and grade what you have. Remember, if you're missing class or below 60%, then I have to initiate a academic intervention by reaching out to your parents, and we create a plan how to get back on track. So I just want to talk about this numbering system one more time. Make sure we're on the same page. If I say 8.31, 8.32, these numbers over here in the black or the third decimal, they are examples. They're pretty much from the same lesson. So all of these are basically 8.3, 8.3. Central question I already told you. And last week, let's just double check. Last Wednesday, you took last year's quiz. You took it, showed your work, and then you only need to watch this how-to video once, and then you watch the video solutions. Khan Academy was due, and the due dates, now they're on the same page. 5.4 A and B, although I said 8 a.m. is 3 p.m. As I'm recording this video, I still haven't graded it, so it'll be pretty much yellow light. I also opened up quiz number 1 on Edulastic, okay? And I'm giving you to this Friday, 9/16, 3 p.m. Some student asked me, how do I get to Edulastic? Well, you have to click on here to sign up for Edulastic. Sign up for Edulastic. That's the only way you can get the quiz. Alright, this week, week number 6, 9/12/22. You're watching the Week at a Glance 6 number video right now through Edpuzzle. And the discussion's opening, and I give you guys a whole week to complete it. And basically all these colors, lesson 8.40, 8.41, these are all 8.4s. You see the first two numbers? 8.4. So this is all one Google document. And then this is just a suggestion how to do your work. Now, I basically make it where you do around 2 pages of math, and I calculate it to be around 30 to 40 minutes. And then if you do 5 minutes of Khan Academy every day, you're at 45 minutes a day of math, not including the weekends. Guys, if you think about it, if you went to a seat-based, whatever your old home site was, you would have done 45 minutes in class, and then if they assign homework or extra. So you have that flexibility. So the colors are just to help you identify when you go onto the worksheet. For example, Monday, do red and orange. So if I click on it, boom, it brings you to something like this. And then if you click here, it brings you to my YouTube video, and it's going to help you, and you just follow along like you're in class. You're just going to fill in the blanks, okay? We're going to do a warm-up. There's a launch. You're going to do the simulator, which you're going to have to click on that one. And then the orange, you're going to fill in the blank. You're probably going to draw and do some stuff, fill it in, and just go along with it, okay? And then read your directions. So eventually, when you get down to, like, say, let's see. Now, you'll do the example with me, and then I'll say pause and try this example below. And then eventually, you're going to get to some problems. Let's find some. If it doesn't tell you to skip, you can't skip the problems. So right here, for example, directions, find the z-value for each standard normal distribution. You can skip one problem. So there's 8, 9, and 10. They're saying skip one. And then eventually you're going to put 8.47. And this video just timestamps it to that one video you need. You're going to use that table. And then the last one, I'm going to show you guys both, and you can just pick one which makes more sense to use using a graphing calculator or Desmos, the online graphing calculator. Okay, like I said, now the due date might scare you guys on cadence, but I hope you recognize that this coloring system actually helps you. How does it help you? Although this was due Friday 9/9 at 3 p.m., I have not graded it as of Sunday, as according to this video. So that means, I probably won't grade it till maybe Monday. So you have some time still to turn those in. Now you want to kind of keep up because work is still coming in. And this next packet of lesson 8.4, what we're doing this week, it's not happening until the week of the 26th. So you have another 2 weeks. I also want to note, someone mentioned, is this? I just used the logo or picture, turn it in. We are not using turnitin.com, we're just using eCadence. Okay? And you guys are going to do that for your discussion about flattening the curve. And I think that's it. Let's just remember that there is a cost for freedom. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's paper, nor anything that he has. I love math.